All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2015, that's right folks, the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Folks, this only has 8,000 miles, this beautiful blue with the black cloth interior, premium sound system, got cruise control, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's hubcap, and your tire thread here is just under 7/32 above 4. Got a little, that's nothing. Got a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. Got a dent here, about 4 to 5 inches from here to here, as you can see there. Got a little chippy down here in the door, and another one here on this side of the door. Of course, you got your power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with 2 keys, 2 key fobs, and 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn this bad boy on for you guys. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player. Onyx and all that good stuff, that's working. AC controls right down below, that's working. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your strip cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage up 8,037 miles. Very nice. Looks good. Does not have power doors, but for 8,000 miles, folks, what are you looking for? Only 8,000 miles on a 15. No power doors, no here's your there's your front passenger seat. I mean your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and rear AC controls, I'm sorry. Alright. Got a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. Got a dent on this quarter, about 2 inches, and a scuffing from the dent on the bumper, which is about 3 inches as well, and then some scuffing down here. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Here's a rear driver's hubcap. Your tire thread is over 7/32. Rear bumper's got some chips. That's just typical. This here looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk spacing with that. Looks like pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down. Check out pictures for more details. All right, coming around, this quarter has a dent right here, PDR work. That's about it with the rest. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Your tire thread here is over 7/32. This door looks pretty decent. Here's your front passenger seat. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, and likewise on the third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. And this door looks pretty decent. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your hubcap. It is cracked. You're gonna need a new one. And your tire thread here is under 7/32 above 4. I see a bunch of little specks here. It looks like some glue or something. Yeah, but they're coming off. So it's got some specks here, but I'll get somebody to get it off. That's about it. Looks pretty good, guys. Lights are working, cars running. Folks, once again, a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan as my dog passes by my view. With only 8,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding. I got 2 of these bad boys. Thank you and happy bidding.